Hello. Well, in this video, we'll show you how fast you can go from OpenRoads Designer straight up to Google Maps, or if you like, Google Earth. So this is just a design file, a DGN, and inside it there are geometry. So first thing let's do is let's check we got the coordinates within the file itself. As you see, we have the coordinates set, which is good. And also here you can check if you have the background map option. That means you already have coordinate in it. So what I do is just check with the aerial, turn the aerial on, and ta-da, you get to see the aerial. So we are in the right spot. So if I wanted to go from here straight up to Google, how to do it fast. This is how to do it fast. If you are here on OpenRoads model, which is the top option usually, and go from home, go to utilities. This is utilities option, and then go here to geography. There is an option here, open location in Google Map. If you clicked on it, and then you have a cursor, let's just do this. Just click on it, poop. And it will take you to the right coordinate. And let's zoom in. Here we go. I zoomed in. And then if you want to do the view, you can view it. And that fast. And if you actually don't like using the browser for Google Map, you want to use Google Earth, copy these and go paste them in Google Earth, and you get to go to the same place. Okay, let's try another place. Let's try another location, right? So click on it again. But before I go here, there are an option that pop here. So here will actually told you when it takes you to Google, you want to go to a map, to satellite, hybrid, terrain. So let's leave it satellite, view its map. The zoom. So the zoom is how zoom you want it to be. It was a 15, which is high. I think the highest is 23. Let's, for example, make it 5, right? So let's click here and see what it's going to do. See? It took us really far. Like from the sky. And let's do that again. Well, instead of 5, let's poop, 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 poop. Let's actually do 23, right? And let's select another place. Let's go here. See? That's how zoom it is. So the zoom, the bigger the number, the deeper you are. And of course, when you look here, you can change the layers from here by yourself. Terrain, traffic, whatever Google is offering. And of course, the 3D view from here. The camera view. You can check it. And like I said, if you want to take this to Google Earth, copy this and go to Google Earth. Yeah. Hopefully you like it.